Uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply, यूपीएस। इस लेक्चर में अपन यूपीएस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। यूपीएस, एसएमपीएस, ये पावर सप्लाई होती है, पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का पार्ट है। पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइसेस से ये सप्लाईज बनती हैं। कैसे ये पावर सप्लाईज काम करती हैं, क्या इनकी एडवांटेज होती है, क्या डिसएडवांटेज होती है। सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर विल स्टडी अबाउट द यूपीएस, एसएमपीएस एंड द पावर सप्लाई, व्हाट द एडवांटेज, व्हाट द डिसएडवांटेज, व्हाट द क्लासिफिकेशन, व्हाट द डिफरेंट टाइप द कैटेगरी ऑफ द यूपीएस। As you know, the UPS you generally use in when your PC, some of the good application, the good instrument, good appliances, when you are using the UPS. Inverter also having the UPS mode. तो ऐसे करके आप UPS को कई जगह काम में लेते हैं। In all the medical instruments, medical testing machines, in all the good machineries, the very important machineries, UPS are used. So the UPS means uninterrupted power supply. Mean it continuously maintain the power supply, means the man's power supply is on or off. It does not vary the power supply fed to the device. Suppose that there is a computer, CPU, and this is the man power supply, man. So in between man and CPU there is a UPS. So it is fed power from man to the UPS and UPS to CPU. CPU means your computer, your PC, personal computer. The personal computer will the supply go and there is any fluctuation in the supply system, the software may be corrupt. Before the switch, the turn on the computer not directly they turn on by the switching, by the turn of the switch, and then like the fan and like the tube light, computer get the turn off. No, computers should be turned off properly. They should give the command through the software, not through the hardware. So all the software firstly closed, and then the hardware device should be closed. So this kind of arrangement, computer and all the the different medical instruments, life supporting instruments, so they required continuously power supply. Now most of the instrument, the electronics instrument, they work on the softwares. So their hardware are controlled by the softwares. So firstly they turn on by the software, by the command on the software, and then they should be turned on mechanically. So the power supply should not be switched on suddenly. There should not be any fluctuation in the power supply. There should not be any harmonics in the power supply. There should not be any electromechanical interference the main supply on that device. They can affect the performance of the devices. To avoid that kind of the circumstances, we are connecting a device in between the main supply and the sophisticated electronics device like computers, the medical supporting instruments, the health instruments, and good software governed or software run devices. So this the intermediate device is known as UPS. यूपीएस जो होता है वो इन बिटवीन काम आता है। यूपीएस की एडवांटेज क्या होती है, ये काम वर्क क्या होता है, एप्लीकेशंस क्या होती है। सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं एप्लीकेशन ऑफ यूपीएस। एप्लीकेशन ऑफ यूपीएस, यूपीएस के एप्लीकेशंस क्या है। फर्स्ट, टू मेंटेन ए कंटिन्यूअस पावर सप्लाई, टू मेंटेन continuous power supply, to maintain continuous power supply, to avoid fluctuation in power supply, to reduce harmonic in power supply. You know, these are the application of UPS. Provide good voltage regulation. To provide good voltage regulation. And as to provide a constant power supply, uninterrupted power supply, good quality of the power supply means less harmonic, as well as good backup, to provide good backup. So these are the application of UPS. Backup means when the main power supply is absent. You know, there is a cutoff, 2 hours cutoff, 4 hours cutoff in some cities. In the summer duration, the power supply is gone. So we having some devices and they require the power supply on urgent basis. So we want to turn on the devices and we want to use the devices during the cutoff period. So the UPS are there, it having the backup power, so it gives the supply. So these are the application of the UPS. Now the types of UPS. Types of UPS. So that there are 2 types of UPS. One is offline UPS. Offline UPS. Other is online UPS. Offline UPS means there is a 2 circuit in a UPS. So offline means when the main line is off, UPS means the backup power of the UPS or the circuit of the UPS will use. And one is the online UPS, means the main power supply is on even though power is not directly feeded from the main supply to the device. Power is not directly feed to the device. It is through the UPS circuit. It is through the controlling circuitry. So it is known as online UPS. So the online UPS is better. It is costlier. It having more backup, more protections as compared to the offline UPS. The offline UPS are generally used for PCs, personal computers, PCs. It is generally used for the PCs, small devices, and online UPS in computer labs, banking, banks, online transactions and all that, means ATMs, online tradings, online tradings, medical equipments, life supporting instrument, equipments, machines, any of the device which required continuous constant power supply without any interruption for long duration power supply, long duration uninterrupted power supply. So these are the application or usage of online and offline UPS. Now I draw the offline circuit diagram and then online circuit diagram. First the offline circuit diagram. Offline UPS. Offline UPS. Offline UPS. This is the main supply. This is the rectifier. This is the battery backup. Battery. This is the inverter. This is the static switch. That the AC voltage regulator switch. This is also AC voltage regulator switch. And this is the load. This is the main supply or source. Okay. The source is mechanically connected to this one. So they are altered. If this works, this off. So this is normally on, normally off. This device is normally on and this device is normally off. So there is a mechanical lock. Mechanical lock. It provides the locking in between these two. So it is mechanically on off. So this is the device. It is offline UPS. What happens in the offline UPS? It is simple diode based rectifier. Diode rectifier. Okay. It's simple inverter PWM, multi-pulse inverter. It having the backup for 10 minutes to half an hour, not more than that. 10 minutes to half an hour, and the rating is 10 500 VA, 500 VA, 1 kVA, 2 kVA, like this. Voltage is 230 volt plus minus 5%. Harmonic plus minus 3%, 3% harmonic distortion, 3%. Frequency 50 Hertz plus minus 0.1 Hertz. This is the frequency. Battery backup is for very short duration. You know what happens in this offline UPS? This is the man UPS circuit. This is man UPS circuit. This is UPS circuit. It normally off. It is normally off. It normally off. And power is from the main source is directly feeded through this controlling switch or regulator to the load. So it is the main switch is normally off. That's why its name is offline UPS. The main power directly goes to the load. There is no any voltage regulation. There is no any controlling. There is no any backup. Very small backup, small the circuit, less the harmonic control, less the filter requirement. It's the simple, the low cost arrangement. Very small size, less harmonic control. Backup is only for 10 minutes to the half an hour. It's very short duration, so we can easily turn on, turn off our device. Not for the longer duration will work on the device. So this provides support. We can easily turn off our devices. Otherwise what happens, if the power supply directly gone, there is chance of crap of our software may be corrupted. Directly turn off. So to avoid this kind of the accidental software turning off, the computer turn off, it gives the time and gives the indication that main power supply is off. You can easily or safely off your computers, and when you off the computer, definitely you can save. So your computer will be safe. So it is provide the safety for you and your instrument. Not they provide the more the power to do the work for longer the duration. So this is about the offline UPS. Now the online UPS, not the off, it is online UPS. So what the difference between the online and offline? It is normally not on, off, and it not off, normally on. And this is not the rectifier, that is the diode based rectifier, it is converter. Alpha firing control, phase control. Then there is a filter circuit. Then not only PWM pulse width modulation, sinusoidal pulse width modulation. And the backup is not for the 10 minutes to half an hour, 4 hour to 12 hour, and more than that, more. So the arrangement is the same, but we having more the battery power, more the backup. For the online UPS, directly power is not fed through this short circuit, direct circuit. Now the power is directly fed and continuously fed to the load through this circuit, and through the battery is continuously get charging and fed to the load. Power is fed through the UPS circuit, not the direct short circuiting, direct feeding. So it avoid the voltage fluctuation. It reduce the harmonic content in the output because there is the filters. So there is a very good reduction in the harmonic, total harmonic distortion is very less. The controlling ability of this circuit is very good as compared to offline. Backup power is very good. It's not the 10 minutes of the backup. Now the backup is 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. Okay. The inverter is not only the simple inverter, we are having the good technological inverter having the sinusoidal output. So the sine pulse width modulation type inverter we use that to give the good sinusoidal output, pure sinusoidal output will try to give. Better sinusoidal output will give. And this is the rectifier is not the simple diode based rectifier, this is the converter phase control rectifier. Okay. So overall the switches, now the switches has to work for 12 hours, 15 hours, the whole 24 hours. So the capability of these switches are very good one. They also having the heat sinks, so proper spreading of the heat, so they can properly work for the longer duration without any damage, without any overheating. So this online UPS is more costlier, more technical advanced and better, give the better output, better purity in the output, means the sinusoidal output, less harmonic in the output. So it is better as compared to the offline UPS in all respect, but the cost is too high. The offline UPS for the small computer, it is the costly 1500 to 2000 rupees, but it cost will start from the 50,000 of rupees to 5 lakhs of rupees. So normal person cannot be purchased this. Normal household cannot be purchased this. So these online UPS are generally used for research labs, computer online labs, online bankings, online transaction in the share market and all these, ATM machines, medical instruments, medical machines, life supporting machines, and good electronics machines, electronics manufacturing machines. So all these are sophisticated machines, and where we require better controlling, better the facilities, better the system, better the regulation and controlling we want to achieve, we provide the UPS, that is online UPS. So the online UPS, the ratings are in kVA, 500 kVA, 1000 kVA, up to 1000 of the kVA. The output voltage is 0.1% only the regulation. Here the not 0.5% of the regulation, here the 0.1% of the regulation, 0.1%. Harmonic, total harmonic distortion is less than 1%. Total harmonic distortion is less than 1%. Efficiency is better than 90%. and there is protection, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, over frequency protection, under frequency protection, over current protection, overheat protection. So all kind of the protections are provided to this online UPS as compared to the offline UPS. So this is more good, and the response time is less than 5 millisecond. The response time in online UPS is less than 5 millisecond. So it gives very good dynamic response. There is no any fluctuation in the output. So in this way, this online UPS is very better, far better as compared to offline UPS. So definitely enjoy this lecture of UPS. You understand the difference in between online and offline UPS. आपको इन दोनों UPS में अंतर बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ गया होगा कि ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन UPS में क्या डिफरेंस होता है। ये ऑनलाइन UPS बहुत बेहतर होता है, बहुत अच्छा होता है, कंट्रोलिंग से, पावर सप्लाई बैकअप से, हार्मोनिक कंट्रोल से, आउटपुट वोल्टेज कंट्रोल से, आउटपुट फ्रीक्वेंसी कंट्रोल में, प्रोटेक्शन स्कीम में, सारी जो है टेक्नोलॉजी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ऑनलाइन UPS बेटर होता है ऑफलाइन UPS से। इसलिए जहां पे भी इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज की जरूरत होती है, बड़े सिस्टम्स में जरूरत होती है, बड़े कंट्रोलिंग इक्विपमेंट्स की जरूरत होती है, बेटर सोफिस्टिकेटेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में जहाँ जरूरत होती है, वहां ऑनलाइन UPS ही अपन काम में लेते हैं। ऐसे मुझे मुझे काफी सालों का तजुर्बा है इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर्स को पढ़ाने का। आपने मेरे लेक्चर में बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा और आपने कुछ सीखने की, लर्न करने की कोशिश की होगी। मैं काफी सब्जेक्ट लेता हूं, आप मेरे लेक्चर्स में मेरे जो चैनल पे बने रहें, सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, डिस्कस करें, और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम इश्यूज हैं तो मुझे टैग करें, मैं इसको रिप्लाई करूंगा। और आज हमारी टेस्ट सीरीज etestseries.in पे जाके टेस्ट दें और अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को चेक करके इम्प्रूव करें। इम्प्रूवमेंट एक कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है। ओके, थैंक यू।